Hello and welcome the beautiful people in the internet. My name is Sir Biscuit. Currently I'm at Thailand, Bangkok to be specific, in the city. Let's have a look outside. Tell me this, guys, doesn't it look haunted? Like this is from one of the horror games that I usually play. That's a never-ending hallway. It exactly looks like this. Like it is a huge hotel. But come on, why do you have to make it so ominous? Selfies in the elevator, boys. Isn't that what you do? You take selfies in the elevator. That's why they have the mirror here, right? Definitely. Well, like I said, this is a fancy hotel. It's pretty big in size. It's called the Ambassador Hotel. It have like multiple entrances, and let's just walk. But before I go anywhere, I have to show you guys the fishes. Like, what the actual F is these fishes? Like, just look at their heads. I have nothing against fishes, but these have to be the ugliest fishes I have ever seen. Okay, there's something going on. There's some show going on this hotel. So this is giving what has been awarded SHF plus. Okay, whatever. This is the dining hall. There's a coffee place, a bar as well. So whatever you want, everything is here. Really? Bone Gems? That's the name you can come out of? Anyway, they have another cafe. A lot of signing happening in the back. Okay, tell me, doesn't this look like a haunted place? I wonder if it's closed or open. Did they close it? No, it's open. Right. So this is one of the cool looking areas here. Actually, I cannot get any more zoom than this, obviously, because it's not meant to visited by people, just to watch it from outside. But this is also part of the hotel. It's so huge. There's a boxing ring. So yesterday I saw there was some people coming here for boxing. So as you can see, that's the boxing ring up there. There's a swimming pool, and there's a party hall. I'm guessing that's what it is. I have no idea what does it says. But there's some birds. Just look at this. It's eating, so I don't want to bother them. I know these birds, these are the parrots, right? And just look how gorgeous it is. There's so many tall buildings in Bangkok. It's like, it's like a little bit of like New York, having a lot of tall buildings, but it's all around here, especially if you are in middle of the city, city center somewhere, I don't know. So many construction going on left and right. I have no idea. I'm thinking this is a party hall or something, meet and greet something. I get it. And I'm pretty sure I can see my hotel room from here. It's just the other side. I should have put something there, so I know like which one is mine. It's on the 6th floor, so it have to be the second one from the top, but I don't know which room exactly. And that's the swimming pool. I actually wanted to go to the swimming pool. Oh, a lot of scary looking guys. They're punching stuff. They're gonna punch a lot. I'm not gonna punch anything. It's a fancy looking gym, and it have all the equipment you need. I actually work out here every morning, except today. What? There's no entrance? If you want to use the swimming pool, please contact the fitness. Why? Why it's not here? Shame on you. It says the swimming pool is there. The gate is locked. Shameful. Well, I guess we're not going to the swimming pool because I can't find my way. This is one of the entrances of the hotel. Usually at daytime it is much more quieter, but at night time there's gonna be a lot of music and a lot of dancing happening outside. And with those comes the ladies and the lady boys all around this place. So basically at night, the outside perimeter of this hotel will be filled with people, and some of them are already started, you know, the lights start things. So you can see there's a bar all the way left and right. There is some music in some of them, but most of them are, there is not much music here going on. There's something I was actually hoping to try for past 3-4 years. If you guys know, like if any one of you played GTA, you'd know Taco Bell, right? It's from the oldest GTA games, and since ever I have seen this, I was like, I have to go there. Like I have seen there 5 years ago when I first time traveled to Malaysia, and ever, but now for the first time I'm gonna go and try it. It doesn't look anything like I remember from the games, but it have tacos, and I haven't had tacos. I don't remember having tacos anytime recently. Like I had tacos maybe once. I'll be trying taco for first time. The GTA 5, I don't remember going to a taco shop, but I'm pretty sure like on 4, 3, San Andreas, all of them, I remember going to Taco Bell. And this is why I wanted to come here, and I wanted to bring you guys with me, because I'm a gamer, man. I have to get the gamer juice with Taco Bell, and I have to try it here. Okay, I actually ordered one. Let me see, what did I order? I don't even remember. I ordered one taco supreme. I don't see from which part of the world this is supreme. This is too small. Good thing I ordered actually a California bowl. It's chicken, guacamole, salad, and some such stuff. So that's gonna be my Taco Bell experience. And I have to show you guys how the taco looks like. This is what the taco looks like. I mean, I am pretty sure most of you guys know, I don't. Okay, I have finished my food. It was good, it was decent, like it was nothing so fancy, but the only thing is weird, they gave me a fork and a knife to eat rice with chicken. Like, how am I supposed to use a fork with rice? But I'm still hungry, so I ordered a loaded fries. I'm gonna take it to my hotel, and I got my stuff. I'm going back to the hotel. Before I go, just look at the difference. It's day and night. There's music all around. I just don't want to get a copyright strike for this. I just want to run out of here as fast as I can. But like I said, if the night, like as soon as the lights go down, there's gonna be a lot more people here all around. Well, this is time to get another selfie. I know my desk, it looks like a big mess, but this is not as big mess as my own room. But right now I have a Nintendo to use for my next whole month. Like I'm going to spend a whole month playing only in Nintendo. I do not have my computer or the PlayStation, so this is what I'm stuck for. But it's a nice view. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna eat the French fries which I bought. For some reason they gave me a lot of sauces all separately, and watch some YouTube or something while eating, and maybe do some gaming in the late night. I do not have that many games in my Nintendo, but I'll try to play some games. The biggest problem I have is the controller. I'm not used to use this kind of controller to play video games, but I'll try my best. Hopefully you guys enjoy the video.